Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Sayyid Abid Hussaini from your favorite channel HB Academy for personal and professional development. How many of you are familiar with passive income? Or rather, let me put it other way. How many of you are interested in passive income? This is one of the term nowadays is being used and which is very much sought after. Are you having the passive income? Some of you are doing it, and many of us are not at all taking care of this. Well, viewers, we are going to start a new series of video which will be directly on the topic of passive income. How can somebody generate passive income, a legal passive income, which many of us are not exploring? In our new series of videos, we will be giving you awareness about the passive income. There are many ways one can have the passive income in addition to active income, in addition to your normal job or the business or a profession from which you are generating active money and you are taking care of your daily expenses and so on and so forth. There are many ways by which one can generate passive income. We are going to touch upon the very important and legal way of generating passive income, and that is, we call it through the stock market. Some people call it shares market, some people call it equity market, and some call it stock market. This is something which is very important for all of us. So that what I thought, that let's have the awareness about the stock market. In our future videos, we will be giving you hints and tips and awareness that what exactly is stock market, how somebody can understand the stock business, the shares market, and so on and so forth. In fact, I personally realize that in the market, in our society, there are a lot of myth around. If you ask somebody, he will say that this is a gamble. If you ask some other person, he will tell that, oh, this is dangerous, you might lose money in it, and so on and so forth. Somebody treat this as a illegal, haram kind of thing. But let me tell you about it. This is a legal way of generating passive income in in this world, be it India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and even in state of Qatar. In the state of Qatar also, the stock market is there. One can generate some money out of it. And it's all legal. It's all allowed for not only for Watani, not only for Qataris, but even for non-Qataris, the stock market, there is provision of buying and selling stock. So how to do this? In the next videos, we are going to tell you about it. But one thing I want to promise with you is that you can make money The only thing is that I assure you that we are going to give you the awareness about it. We will not be giving you financial advice, but we will be giving you the information which you may not having at the moment, how to do it. In fact, to be honest, nowadays it has made very easy. The things have been digitized. You can do things online. No need for you to go to the market, stock market, and so on and so forth. Only one off you can complete the formality, then you can do the stock from your homes remotely. So this is very important, which we are going to touch upon, and I'm sure that you will be loving it. The only thing is that which you have to keep it in mind. For any other thing, for any other activity, like for example swimming or for example driving, if you don't know how to drive or how to swim, there is a risk. If you swim without knowing how to swim in the pool, or if you are driving without knowing how to drive a car, the risk which is there, driving car without knowing how to drive and going into the swimming pool without knowing how to swim, the same risk is there in the stock market. If you don't know what are the dynamics, if you don't know what are the pros and cons of stock market, you have to understand it. And inshallah, in our future videos, we are going to touch upon, we are going to give you abundance of information regarding stock market. What stock market is all about, what exactly is a stock, how this stock market works, how somebody like you and me can open an account, and so on and so forth. In addition to this, we will be bringing in some of the experts, who are technically strong in this area. We will try to ask some questions from them, so they may be giving you some hint, some awareness. They will be guiding you that how you could be a little bit strong to perform well in the stock market. So please keep watching our next video on your favorite channel, that is HB Academy for personal and professional development. If you have not subscribed our channel up to now, please do subscribe it, because we are going to bring some financial issues. We are going to give you some hints and tips and awareness about the passive income, which is very important under the circumstances. In the current affairs, the passive income is very important. How somebody can generate passive income in addition to his or her active income. So keep watching and don't forget to hit the bell icon, so our next videos will be always there as an alert available on your YouTube channel. So keep watching and keep remembering us in your prayer. This is Sayyid Abid Hussaini signing off from HB Academy for personal and professional development. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.